Yes, sir. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. May I know your good name?
Ramya, sir.
Yeah, Ramya. Can I have your resume? Yeah, Ramya, before starting the interview, quickly introduce yourself.
First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity to introduce myself, sir.
Okay.
My name is Ramya. I am from Bhadrachalam. I have completed my BTech in the stream of Computer Science in Anbu's Institute of Technology. I
Yeah, okay.
have completed my intermediate in Little Flower Junior College, and I have completed my schooling in Sri Sadhana High School. My hobbies are watching Destiny movies, listening Destiny movies, listening music, and playing indoor and outdoor games.
Yeah, okay. So, what about your technical skills?
My technical skills are manual testing.
Yeah, okay.
I'm well about manual testing.
Yeah, no. And so, what is STLC?
The abbreviation of SDLC is the software testing lifecycle.
Okay.
It is the systematic approach
Okay.
when the test application the test the meeting to client requirement.
Yeah, okay.
In the SDLC process, the main goal of the SDLC process is to identify the defects as early as possible in the development process.
Yeah, okay.
In the SDLC process, 7 phases are required.
Okay.
First phase is requirement gathering, second planning and analysis, third test design, fourth environment setup, and then execution, report, and test close.
Yeah, okay. So, what are the reports we have in report phase?
In report phase, actual is equal to the expected.
Okay. What is the report then?
The report will be passed.
Okay.
Then actual is not equal to the expected, then report will be failed.
Yeah, okay. So, what are test design techniques available in testing?
The main goal of the test techniques is providing the test cases and test scenarios.
And test data. Yeah, okay. So, how many design techniques are there?
There are 5.
Okay.
First one is boundary value analysis, equivalent class partitioning,
Okay.
decision making table,
Okay.
state transaction, and error guessing.
Yeah, okay. Ah,
Equivalent class partitioning is nothing but checking the input fields divided into input data,
yeah.
valid and invalid, to proceed providing the classes.
So, okay, fine. So, can you explain the bug life cycle?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Bug life cycle is a defect found by the tester. Then when bug life cycle will be started,
Okay.
the bug life cycle is a set of statuses. It goes through the entire life.
Okay.
Bug life cycle main focusing easily coordinate and communicated with the defects.
Yeah, okay.
It makes the defect fixing process and makes the systematic and efficient.
Yeah, okay. So, go with the statuses of the bug.
In bug life cycle, 12 status are required: new, assign, reject, hold, open, and bug fixing, retesting, reopening, and test closed. In the new,
Yeah, okay, okay, fine, no problem. And I can go with the some status question. So, when we can give the whole status?
when developer in confusion state, it gives the whole state.
Confusion in a sense?
They cannot find the defect. Means
Yeah, like whole means. So, developer was in confusion state, like whether it can accept or reject. So, then he will give the whole status. Okay, so fine. And why we are doing negative testing in software testing?
అసలు negative testing to checking the software application to invalid data reject or not is known as negative testing.
Yes, the main purpose is we need to give a invalid data. So, we need to check whether it cannot accepting or not. Why we are doing means to find the defect. For positive testing, we can know that application was working or not. So in negative testing only we are seeing that either application contain any defects or not. Okay, so what is unit testing?
Unit testing is the first level of testing. It is done by the developer. It is used to white box testing techniques that are syntax coverage, loop coverage, condition coverage, and path coverage.
Yeah, okay, fine. And so what is RCN document?
RCN document is nothing but a requirement clarification note.
Okay.
It is a document when the testers having ambiguity, that means confusion, the testers are updating the document.
Okay, fine. And so what is smoke testing?
Smoke testing is nothing but is also known as build verification testing. When the developer released the build,
Okay.
then it checks the basic functionality like URL, login, logout.
Yeah, okay. And so if without testing, if I can release the application into market, what will happen? Like the application was released into market, but there is no testing involved. What will happen?
It happens errors.
Yeah, okay. So like when you are going with this question, you need to see. So without testing also it is possible to release into the market, but there is a high chances for failure. Failure means in case if any customer, like while using in their real world entity, if customer can find any defect, he will give the negative feedback to the application, then it will getting a failure results. Failure is a high cost because it will impact to the organization and as well as clients companies as well. Okay, fine. And can you give the difference between load testing and stress testing?
Load testing and stress testing is the subtopics of performance testing. Performance testing is nothing but speed of process. It is a subtopic of non-functionality. Non-functionality is validating the data. Load testing is used to has in the application as early as possible to navigate the one page to another page.
Yes, yes. Simply when you are going with the load, easily you can say one answer. According to the user input, how much of time it was taking to get the results. Okay, stress testing means?
Stress testing in the software application, the consumers expected the configuration is more than the customer expected load.
Yes. So the expression is wantedly we need to give more load. How it was like giving the outputs according to the user count. Okay. And okay, can you give the difference between manual and automation testing different? Like what is manual testing? Simple words.
Manual testing is defined by the user. Users tested.
Human.
Human tested.
Okay. And automation done
by system or
some tools. You know any one tool in market for automation?
Automation, Jira.
No, it is a project management. Okay. Still you are not started automation.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, fine. And yeah, okay, fine. Can you give the what is the meaning of test case and test case attributes?
Test case in multiple way. What to test the scenario is the test case.
Yeah, okay.
Test scenario means how to test the data.
Yeah, okay. So exactly how can we test the application? So can you give the template attributes?
In template attributes, test case ID,
Okay.
test case description,
Okay.
test scenario ID,
Okay.
test scenario description,
Okay.
test data,
Okay.
steps of the
Test.
test,
Okay.
and report, actually expect, report, and commands.
Precondition also. Yeah. Okay, fine. I think I done with my side. You have any queries to ask?
No.
Yeah, okay. And go through with the automation questions as well and prepare for Selenium with Core Java. Okay. Yeah, all this you can.